Are you looking to sell your home this summer? While we're still in a strong seller's market, there's a widening gap between homes that are ready for the market and homes that are not ready. If you want your home to be a winner in today's open market, you'll probably need to make home as ready and attractive to buyers as possible, maybe requiring a few things. It's proven that the more showings you have, the more likely you are to have a faster sale and to net a higher sales price. That's why today I'm sharing 3 ways that can get your house ready for showings this summer. First, take care of minor repairs up front. Right now, buyers' number 1 concern is the higher interest rates and affordability. As a result, most or typical buyers right now want to put as much as possible towards their down payment to lower their monthly payments. This means taking care of cosmetic repairs up front is good even in a normal market, but even more in the current market with the higher interest rates, which means that buyers are going to be a little bit more picky with the homes they choose. So this step is even more important than ever. Second, do some staging. Think about the ideal model home. It's clean, it's decluttered, and impersonal. Our goal should be to get as close to that image as possible. I mean, your home likely has a lot of personalized touches, odd furniture, family photos, and maybe even an off-colored wall. I recommend trying to depersonalize your home as much as possible. That way, whenever buyers view the home, instead of being distracted by your personal items, they can more so see themselves in the spaces, and that usually helps sell the home a little bit quicker. Plus, by packing everything away, you'll make moving easier since everything will already be in boxes. If the home is vacant, I strongly recommend getting it professionally staged, especially in homes that are a little bit older or that have been lived in. If they're super empty, buyers come in, instead of seeing the spaces for what they are, they're looking for minor details. So having a staged area or a staged home usually helps with buyers being able to really imagine themselves in there. And third, have a plan for children and pets. Your showings probably won't go too smoothly if your dogs are barking or there's young kids running around inside the house during the showing. Instead, work with your agent, create a showing schedule that blocks off certain times during the day when the home will be available to show. This way, you and the prospective buyers and their agent aren't disrupted. I recommend putting dogs in crates just for the short time when you'll have the showings. While moving the pets and stepping out for the showings can be a little bit of work, it's definitely worth to keep your house in pristine condition when buyers are going through it. Just to make it easier for those buyers to want to submit an offer. If you want a detailed showing plan or a list of repairs that are needed for your house in particular before getting your home listed, please give me a call, send me an email. I'd love to help you navigate this housing market and get your home sold.